Hello guys, welcome to Scape Toowong videos. My name is Stephanie and I'm a sales executive at Scape Brisbane. Today I'm so excited to show you an amazing build at Scape Toowong. I will show you now our most popular room, our standard studio. This is a standard studio that has city and river views. All studios have a comfortable double bed, and we also have plenty of storage. We have this big storage below the TV where you can store your luggage. We also have a storage under the mattress. You only need to lift it up and you have all this space. This is a wardrobe with 2 doors and a long length mirror. Also 3 drawers inside where you can store more items. In the study area, we have this long desk with a lamp, with a board, and enough space for you to study for long hours. And also a space for you to dine. In the kitchen area, we have an induction cooktop, which is so easy to clean and it's as well safe. We have a small fridge with a freezer as well, and it's enough for 1 person. We also have more storage under the sink. This is the bathroom with automatic light sensors, a very powerful shower, a floor that's super easy to clean, a mirror cabinet, and hooks where you can put your towel and store your towel also under the sink, and 1 more full-length mirror. Here we have the aircon, and you can heat or cool your room.